How to restore a DaVinci Resolve project. To restore a DaVinci Resolve project, you could either load a recent project backup, restore a project from a backup, archive, or if necessary, recover a project from a database as well. First of all, you want to open the DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the project manager. Now right click on the project you want to restore and select project backups. Next, you simply want to choose the backup file you want to load and click on load. You will need to give the restore, and as you've done it so, open the DaVinci Resolve and go to the project manager. Once again, right click in the project manager and select restore project archive, and you could choose the archive file you want to restore and click open. Now this method is used if your project is corrupted or lost and you need to recover it from a database. You will need to locate the DaVinci project or Resolve project library, which usually include .drb file and a database file. That's how you do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.